Mitch, how you doing?
Hey, I'm trying to figure out these ads, but they're just not working for me.
Yeah, well, 80% of your ads might not work actually.
No, I didn't. Holy shit.
Right? What's even crazier, it's completely normal.
Now, would you be able to help me understand this a little better?
Yeah, sure. Let me make a video about it. My name is Mitch with New Results Marketing. Today, we're going to dive deep behind the scenes into some truths about running successful ad campaigns that the experts just don't tell you. Look, we all want winning ad campaigns, to attract the clients left and right, but the reality is, it's a little bit more complicated. In today's video, I'm going to break down how to ensure that 20% of your ads will win and win big. And let's get to work. All right, truth number one, most ads fail, and that's okay. 80% of your ads will likely fail, but here's the kicker. The real success lies within the 20% that actually performs. Recognize that most of your campaign success will come from refining a small percentage of your ads within the campaign will give you a significant edge over your competition. The reason why that's true is because while your competition is fretting why their ads aren't working, you are testing and tweaking and improving your ads so you can craft ones that win and that win big. When you launch your ad, you're essentially testing a concept. You won't know anything until your ad is live, and then you gather the data and you can finally make informed decisions to increase your ad's chances of success. When you launch your campaign, you're going to quickly realize the 20% that are working. So when you have that 20% that are working, it's time to double down and optimize those ads. What that means is maybe you take that same ad and you test it with a couple different audiences, right? That would be a test to optimize to bring in more audiences into overall campaign, right? Or you test with those audiences, you find the audiences that work, you throw away the rest, and maybe you want to try to optimize that ad. So maybe you do a headline, you try to change different headlines and see which one is working better than the others. But the biggest thing to understand here is you want to have a control. For example, that ad that's working, that's a control, okay? The reason why you want to keep this and not test everything is you're not going to be able to keep track of everything. You want to keep the things working and try to test maybe a headline, one thing at a time, and see if it's going to beat the control. If it beats the control, then that becomes the control, okay? That's how you optimize ads. So remember, don't fear failure. Each ad that doesn't perform is a lesson about your audience. Now, I want you to come in close here. The secret to advertising is testing and iterations, understanding your data, and you can make educated decisions to enhance your campaign's success. If you can do this well and understand your data, you will create winning campaigns. So truth number two is all about being patient. This is a big one. Nobody likes it, right? Successful campaigns take time. Algorithms need time to learn about your offer and your audience. Now, what you want to do is you want to think about your ads as a slow cooker, right? And not necessarily a microwave. It takes time for the algorithm to understand what's appealing to your audience. Literally, the ad platform needs to actually learn your audience to help you reach them even more effectively. Now, if you're running an ad for a few days without stellar results, don't worry. Ad platforms like Facebook, say, for example, require time to collect the data. The algorithm needs to identify who's engaging with your ad, who's clicking your ad, and most importantly, who's converting with your ad. One sec, Mitch is calling. Hey, Mitch. I'm watching your video. I love it. But how do I know if I'm winning or not? What metrics should I be paying attention to? Wonderful question. I'll do it now. All right. So the most crucial metric that you can measure is return on ad spend, or ROAS. Nothing beats the effectiveness of returning your money when you spend it in advertising. For example, we believe at New Results Marketing that advertising should always be an investment and never an expense. If you put $1 in, you better get $1 back. Sure, there's some testing and tweaking that goes into that, but your goal should always be to make your money back, right? Or you put in $1, you get $2 back, $3 back, $4 back, $5 back. That's what return on ad spend means. Now, if we flip the script and if we are making these, and if we want to scale and tweak a little bit more, then we might focus on vanity metrics. When it comes to vanity metrics, you might want to look at conversion rates, cost per lead, cost per click. And it's normal, say for example, say your cost per click is a little higher initially. You want to give it time to stabilize before making any big decisions. Now, truth number three, the importance of retargeting. Let's talk about retargeting, a key strategy in getting the most out of your advertising budget and turning your potential customers into buyers. Retargeting helps you reconnect with people that already have shown interest in your service or in your business. Say, for example, you launch a video ad, which we always recommend, and someone watches the entire video. Now, wouldn't it be smart to be able to put an ad in front of that person instead of a person that's never seen your video before? That's the power of retargeting. And as that person consumes your video, they get another ad that maybe will move them closer to make a buying decision with you. So what I love about retargeting is you're creating a group of people that know you, like you, and trust you. If somebody's seen your ad, you show them another ad, they're watching that video, they're consuming your content, they're becoming big fans of yours, or they've been customers before and trying to wrap them back into becoming your customer again, right? They are a very valuable group of people. So when you do spend your advertising dollars wisely, you are targeting them and not just cold traffic, right? This is really important to understand. The more you advertise, the more of a pool of people you're going to have with retargeting that's very valuable to your business. Now, real quick, if your ads aren't working and you're not getting the results that you truly want, go to newresultsmarketing.com and drop us a message. We can jump on a call and I can show you how you can improve your campaigns. All right, back to the video. So now to sum up this video, remember, the key to winning ad campaigns isn't about hitting a home run every time, as much as we wish that would be the case. It's about testing, learning, and optimizing your ad campaigns until you find the sweet spot. Success comes from the persistence, even when things don't go perfectly at first. Remember that. So now with that said, thanks for watching. If you want to dive even deeper into creating winning campaigns that bring you high quality clients, comment winning below. I'll send you our 3-phase winning campaign framework, a powerful, no fluff guide to creating ads that convert and drive real results for your business. This framework could be a game changer you've been looking for. So now before you go, what's your biggest takeaway from this video? Comment below. I love the chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, the subscribe button, turn notifications so you never miss more tips to grow your fitness business. Let's get your message out there and start changing lives. I'll see you in the next video.